Hello, welcome to this week's Outlook. I didn't post any videos last week because I had a bereavement in the family and some things are important, more important than posting some videos. So we'll look at dollar CAD first. Do think we do get a sell off from here. We have Monday's range marked out here. Monday's midpoint comes in here nicely with the support. And then a little bit of support here. So looking for a breakdown here. H1 closed below Monday's midpoint, and then we should sell off, taking out these lows, and then we'll see if we can close below these lows and go lower. What does sort of will negate this trade is if I can bring up this level of support. We've come down, we've had a nice strong reaction off it, so if we don't get this break below, if we come down and break above Monday's high, then we're going a lot high. So you have two scenarios there, and we'll just have to be patient and see what goes on. The other thing I'm looking at is dollar yen. Let me clear all this off. If we go to the daily, we have this swing high that I'm looking at. I don't really like to buy into the swing high, so I'm looking for a little bit of a reversal. How far that is, I'm not too sure. So we'll mark out this level anyway. Lines up nicely with resistance here, support, resistance here. So quite a nice level. Basically just looking for a break of Monday's low. Let's put it in. So a break of that, and I'll be selling dollar yen. Hopefully, maybe fill in some of this thin price, but we'll see how far we get with that. That's the two main plays I'm looking at. I don't really want to look at a lot of things, especially after taking some time off last week. But they're the two things that make sense to me. The other thing is Aussie yen on the weekly chart. We have this sort of bullish engulfing candle. We've come up, took out a swing high. We'll get a bit of a retracement, so I do think we actually push higher after this retracement. So we'll just be looking at Monday's high for continuation of play. So after we got that strong bullish momentum, we've got this pullback, and then if we want to continue on, looking for a break above Monday's high, stop should be safe at the other side of the range. Nice little trade on Aussie yen last week, but saying that, we were also looking at dollar CAD last week as the main play. So if I clear this off, what I said last week, previous week, was I was looking to sell dollar CAD. We had this strong move, and then which we caught, but then we got this retracement, and then we were looking to sell it again for this continuation. Break below Monday's level would have been confirmation for that sell. So just to recap, really, what I'm looking at is I'm looking for continuation to the downside on dollar CAD, and I'm looking for some selling pressure in dollar yen. Dollar Swiss is not as clear as I'd like. Monday's range is quite small, but if we do stay below this level, if we get a strong H1 close, I can see this going a lot lower, but that's not my favourite play. It's Monday's range is choppy in amongst all this chop, so I wouldn't be surprised if it came down, up, chopped about for a while. So it's not on the watch list, even though my bias is bearish on it. It's just it's not worth it. So keep an eye on dollar CAD and dollar yen. Any questions, you can let me know. Hopefully, I get back to posting regularly now, and nothing I could really do last week. So for everyone that was messaging me going, why is there no video, and that is why. So if you have any questions or want anything covered in tomorrow's video, then just hit me up and let me know, and wishing you all the best for the rest of the week.